so little that there's none of him at all. Let's say the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, how the shadow is growing. Not at all like proper children. It is not growing like a children. A children can grow from smaller to bigger simultaneously. But for he sometimes shoots off taller like an Indian rubber ball. It means that sometimes the shadow grows taller and sometimes it becomes smaller, or and he sometimes goes so little that there is no one of him at all, means there is no shadows, the total shadow vanished also at some time. So here was the word given, India rubber ball. India rubber ball means the bounce ball which played by the kids are the small boys. The bounce ball, whether you may have also played, if it drops on the ground, then it bounces up and slowly it bounces down, and at the last it lies on the ground. Like the shadows also, sometimes it goes taller and sometimes it's smaller, or sometimes it may vanish, or it cannot be seen. He hasn't got any idea of how children are to play and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close behind me, he's a coward, you can see. I think same to stick to nurse as that shadow sticks to me. What is saying? He hasn't got any idea of how children are to play. Children are playing, children like to play, but the shadow is only following. Shadow is not playing, so he doesn't get any idea of how to play. The boy is saying, or the boy is thinking about, and can make a fool of me in every sort of way. And it is making a fool, like the boy is thinking that it may comes to play with him, but the shadow doesn't play with him. The shadow only follows him. He stays so close behind me, he's a coward, you can see. I think same to stick to nurse as that shadow sticks to me.